They say when a cardinal appears, it's not just a bird, it's a message. Last winter, a woman in Ohio lost her mother. Weeks later, a bright red cardinal landed on her porch, staring at her like it had something to say. It didn't fly away. It just stayed. Calm, peaceful, almost familiar. Many people believe cardinals visit when someone you love is still watching over you. And for her, that small red bird brought a comfort she hadn't felt in months. So if you ever see a cardinal near your home, maybe it's not a coincidence. Maybe it's a reminder that you're not alone. Asterisk.